Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create editable type effect in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, the artboard size is 1920 by 1080. And these are the colors which I will use. Go to the rectangle tool and click once. Add artboard dimensions to it. And do center align. Apply the blue fill color to it using eyedropper tool. And lock the background. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Change its font to Azo Sans Black. Apply the color to it, and change its case to upper. And adjust its size and position. Change its fill color to none. Open the Appearance panel. Click the fill icon to add fill color. And apply the yellow color using the eyedropper tool. Then click on the stroke icon, and apply the same color. And bring down to the fill layer. Go to the Effect, Distort and Transform, then Transform. Set its vertical move to 185. And increase its stroke weight. Make a copy of stroke layer. Change the transform to the opposite direction. Select the fill color and click on Add icon. Select the bottom fill and add background color. Go to the Effect, Convert to Shape then Rectangle. Follow my settings. Add a transform effect to bring it in center. Double-click on it, and you can edit the text. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.